Hello everyone, myself Dr. B.B. Sonawni. So, we will see how our FYBSc syllabus is choice based credit system to be implemented from academic year 2019 2020. In this video, we will do the discussion on our syllabus. Semester first, paper first, course code 111, plant life and utilization part first. Total weightage there are 30 lectures. So let's start. There are 2 credits for this paper, each credit for 15 lectures. There are 5 chapters in this paper. From that 3 chapters are of credit first, contain 15 lectures, and second credit contain 2 chapters are of 15 lectures. Credit first is of 15 lecture. Chapter first, introduction of plant life. Weightage is of 3 lecture. So the preview of 3 lectures, we are going to see general outline of plant kingdom. Plant kingdom has different plant groups. The lower plants are called cryptogams and higher plants are called as phanerogams. Lower cryptogams, cryptos means hidden and gammas means union. Cryptogams plants never bear flowers and seeds, that is a flowerless or seedless plants. This subkingdom include 3 divisions. First thallophytes, second bryophytes, and third pteridophytes. Thallophytes, there are 3 groups. First algae, second fungi, and third lichen. Higher cryptogams contain bryophytes and pteridophytes. Phanerogams include 2 main groups, that is a gymnosperm and second angiosperm. Angiosperms divided into 2 classes. First dicotyledons and second monocotyledons. And last point, distinguishing characters of these groups and mention few common example from each. Second chapter, study of algae. The word algae is derived from a Latin word alga, which means of the seaweeds. The science that deals with their study is called phycology or algology. In this chapter, weightage is of 9 lecture. So we are going to see first introduction, second point general characters of algae, third point classification of Bold and Viney in 1978 up to classes with reason. Next point, life cycle of Spirogyra contain habit, habitat, structure of thallus, structure of typical cells, reproduction, include a vegetative, asexual reproduction and sexual reproduction. And a systematic position of Spirogyra with reasons. And last point, utilization of algae in a biofuel industry, agriculture, pharmaceutical, and food and fodder. Next, chapter number 3, study of lichen. Lichen are an interesting group of organisms of composite or a dual nature. They have an algal partner, means a phycobiont, and fungal partners called mycobiont. In this chapter, weightage is of 3 lecture. So we are going to see the subtopic. First, introduction. Second, general characters of lichen. Third, nature of association. And types of lichen include crustose lichen, foliose lichen, and third, fruticose lichen. And last, utilization of lichen. Second credit is of 15 lectures, 15 hour. Each lecture have 1 hour. Chapter number 4, fungi. The word has been expanded to include thallus-like non-green plants such as the mold or yeast and other similar organism related to mushroom. The fungi, thus a large group of simple thallus like plants which lack chlorophyll. In this chapter, weightage is of 9 lecture. So we are going to see the subtopic. First one, introduction. Second, general characters of fungi. Third, classification of Ainsworth in 1973. Next point, life cycle of mushroom. For example, Agaricus biosporus contain habitat, structure of thallus, structure of sporocarp, structure of gills, reproduction, include asexual reproduction and sexual reproduction. And last point, systematic position. Next point, utilization of fungi in industry, agriculture, food and pharmaceutical industries. Last chapter, chapter number of 6, study of bryophytes. The bryophytes shows root-like, stem-like and leaf-like structure and tissue differentiation. In this chapter, weightage is of 6 lecture. So the preview of 6 lecture. First, introduction. Second point, general characters of bryophytes. Third point, classification of G.M. Smith in 1955. Next point, life cycle of Rixia contain habitat, external and internal structure of thallus, reproduction include vegetative, asexual and sexual, structure of sex organ, fertilization, structure of mature sporophyte, structure of spores, and systematic position with regions. Last point, utilization include bryophytes as a ecological indicator, agriculture, fuel, industries, and medicines. Development of sex organ not expected for all the above mentioned life cycles. Uh, we are going to see in a detail afterward. So student, as you have see that how will be our FYBSc first term syllabus will be there. One by one we are going to study. Thank you for watching the video. Thank you.